Hello everyone, back with me Gerald Manapurba. In this video, I tell you about a multifunctional tool that has many functions. Workshop people or market people often call it RIS, where we can open or install both or not of machines of pencils using only one tool. No need to ask many tools. To do it, can open or install many bolts or nuts on various sheets that we change according to our need. Yes, market people atau workshop people call it a RIS, gear English. Thank you if there are wrong words. I'm sorry. Bye bye.